回家喽，回家喽，Jimmy。 Thank you.
생각나기도 해. 서로가 만든 추억에 난 빠질 것 같아. 나도 아프지 않을 거랬던 말도 잠시나마 잊어버린 걸까. 먼 깊이 남은 걸 시간에 묻혀 정이 쌓여 가고 있는 걸 주워 담고 싶었던 추억들이 노래 속에서 너의 냄새가 날 때 멍하니 듣고 있는 걸 너가 필요 없다기도 말했었던 그때 날 잠시만 뒤로 널 찾긴 어려운 걸 시간이 지나도 변치 않기로 약속했던 너와 나도 어디쯤에 있는지도 모른 채로 흩어지고 있는 것 같아 너도 나와 같은 생각일지 아니면 나만 헤매고 있는 걸까 또 다른 시간들을 쌓고 있을까 듣고 싶어도 가끔 생각하게 돼 너가 필요 없다기도 말했었던 그때 날 잠시만 뒤로 널 찾긴 어려운 걸 시간이 지나도 변치 않기로 약속했던 너와 나도 어디쯤에 있는지도 모른 채로 흩어지고 있는 것 같아 시간에 묻혀 감정이 쌓여 가고 있는 걸 주워 담고 싶었던 추억들이 어딘지 모르게 익숙한 너의 냄새가 날 때 너가 필요 없다기도 말했었던 그때 날 잠시만 뒤로 널 찾긴 어려운 걸 시간이 지나도 변치 않기로 약속했던 너와 나도
Hi everyone. I know it's a random hour. It's like 10, almost 10 today, but I just wanted to vlog because I finally got my new PC case. I was kind of getting bored with my old one. It's like super big, as you can tell. So I'm changing to a slightly smaller form factor PC case, which will hopefully free up a bit of desk space and make it look smaller. And also my brother will be helping me to rebuild the PC, so let's go. Right, I know it's a mess, but I'm just here to show you how big the PC is. I'm not sure why I got this case. I think initially I got it because I really like this, the effect where there's like double glass panels here, but now it's getting like a bit too big for my liking, so I got something slightly smaller.
Graphics cards are capable of being.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, getting a suntan on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room, I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plans, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao, and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany,